In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews to Shopify. By the end, your store will display real customer feedback from Trustpilot, helping you build credibility and boost conversions without any complicated coding. First, log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're using the account with the right permissions so you can install apps and make changes. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you'll extend your store's functionality, including adding reviews. In the Apps section, use the search to find a reviews app that supports importing from Trustpilot. For example, you can choose something like Farah product reviews, but any app that clearly lists Trustpilot import or sync will work. Click Install on the app you prefer, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. You'll likely be asked to approve permissions. This is normal, as the app needs access to display reviews in your storefront. After installation, open the app and navigate to the reviews area. This is your central hub for managing what appears on your product pages and widgets. Look for an option to add reviews and click Add Review. You'll see different ways to bring in feedback. Choose Import and Sync. This option lets the app pull your existing Trustpilot reviews into Shopify automatically. Next, select Trustpilot as the source. You'll be prompted to connect the app to your Trustpilot account. Click Connect and enter either your public Trustpilot store URL or your account details, depending on what the app requests. If you have your Trustpilot profile open in another browser tab, keep it handy so you can copy the correct URL. Only enter information on the secure in-app connection screen. Once connected, click Sync Now. The app will begin importing your Trustpilot reviews into Shopify. This may take a few minutes if you have a lot of feedback. When the sync finishes, your imported reviews, star ratings, comments, and dates will appear in the app's reviews section. From there, they'll display on your Shopify store using the app's default placement and widgets. If you don't see them right away on your storefront, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's all it takes. You've connected Trustpilot to Shopify through your review app, and your customers can now see authentic reviews right on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.